The 2013 Harley-Davidson FLHTK Ultra Limited is a luxurious touring motorcycle that combines the classic Harley-Davidson styling with modern touring comfort and technology. This bike is designed for long-distance riders who want both performance and comfort. This bike is owned by a retired senior citizen since new and only has 19,000 miles on it. It has been well maintained with regular maintenance and has a brand new front tire. The Ultra Limited maintains Harley's classic style, with chrome accents, leather seats and retro-inspired design elements. The bike is metal flake golden yellow with black two-tone. The 2013 Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited is designed for riders who enjoy long-distance touring with a premium riding experience. It offers a comfortable ride for both the rider and passenger, with ample legroom and plush seating. The powerful twin-cam 103 engine delivers a smooth and responsive ride, and the adjustable suspension ensures a comfortable experience on a variety of terrains. With its premium touring features, this bike is an ideal choice for those who prioritize comfort, performance and style. Whether cruising down highways or navigating winding roads, the FLHTK is equipped to handle it all with ease and sophistication. Overall, the 2013 Harley-Davidson FLHTK Ultra Limited is a top-tier touring bike, offering a perfect balance of performance luxury and classic Harley-Davidson aesthetics, making it a standout choice for serious motorcycle touring enthusiasts.